It don't count if it ain't on camera.
Dope man clean, not the damn thing on me.
I got a Band-Aid on the Jeep.
We had up in it. That's what I
got $1,000 on the Jeep, man.
I see a whole lot of asthma.
Ron D, one of the originals. You feel me?
Man, what's up, DreDay TV, man? Y'all see we outside, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Roll to 100K Dre. Now that I got that out the way, oh, man. We got them slabs in y'all face, man. Make sure y'all like the video, man. Sheesh, we got that red, boy. It's that big north side, man. Come on, man. Y'all see the shoes on it? Y'all see the shoes on it, man? Stop playing. Sheesh, man. Make sure y'all like the video. Oh, hold on. I can't get her out of here. Look, look, look. She trying to leave. Get the pink Charger on the swangers. Girl, you're different. Girl, you're different. Where you going? You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like the video, man. Y'all see we on the way to 100K, man. 100K Dre, man. I like that blue slab over there. I really like this one. Right now, y'all, I'm at this thing called a ranch. I ain't never been to the ranch, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully, man, it's gonna be a good video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like the video. Ooh, I see a Tesla. I'm at the ranch, bro. Before I even go in there, I'm gonna go show y'all over here, man. Happy Sunday, man, all the way back to Monday. You know what I'm saying? Sunday fun day. DreDay TV is in y'all face, man. See, come on, man. Come on, man. I don't think I've seen this one before. Boy, you riding. Lord have mercy. Oh, and he got the fifth wheel, man. It's complete, we can go eat. It's complete, we can go eat. Where we going? It's complete. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. Y'all see it, bro. That's hard. I like this. Sheesh. Come on, y'all talk to me, man. What y'all think about this one right here, man? What y'all think about this one right here, man? What y'all think about this right here, man? That rag, oh, that hoe hard. That hoe sexy. Sit back and relax, the Cadillac is here. Baby, have no fear, DreDay TV is near. Look at that, oh my God. He got the shoes on it. Rag top, that motherfucker nasty. Drop the top. Oh, it's complete. We can go eat. Don't be slow on your feet, man. The Mercedes for the ladies. And you're doing it good too, man. You don't need the shoes on that hoe. And it's still complete, you know what I'm saying? You don't just gotta have swangers to complete the ride now. The Mercedes is hard, okay? The Mercedes is hard. Man, what the fuck going on, man? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Roll to 100K, man. I go find up the good square, turning on the bulb lights. Oh, man, you good, you good. Man, y'all see what the fuck, man? Look at this shit, man. God damn, I ain't never seen no shit like this. Bro, y'all see this shit, man? It ain't nothing but speakers in here. It's the speaker knockers. Bro got some more speakers in the back, man. What in the fuck is going on, bro? Bro, I ain't never seen no shit like this, man. What in the fuck is going on? That's like, bro, that's like a billion speakers, bro. What in the fuck going on, bro? Who the fuck? Y'all might well get that dude the trophy right now.
So thank y'all for coming to the LB Production and Willie White Entertainment. Entertainment brought to y'all by Bad and Bougie, Miss Nikki. Bad and Bougie Entertainment. Also, man, I thank y'all once again for the support. Appreciate that. And there's food over there. Y'all can lose y'all kids. There's Moonwalk. There's the Game and Trade over there. We got 3 or 4 different food trucks. We're gonna get this show on the road in a few minutes. I already got 2 contestants, man, ready to battle each other out for that song.
All the artists that's coming out to perform, come to the stage.
Okay, see you. You too short. Stand up here.
Yes, ma'am, Miss Houston. Yes, ma'am, Miss Houston.
Y'all, what's up, man? Should I go up there and perform? Hey, y'all know I do music on the side. I might go up there and go spit a bar, too. Sheesh. I'm gonna let y'all know something. This is a female car, you understand me? And she riding harder than most of the niggas, man. God damn. Man, y'all make sure y'all follow them and show them some love, man. It's the hardest couple out here doing it, man. His and hers, man. Shit, that my boy shit.
Nobody seems to give a shit, and that's what makes me want to son of a bitch. This man give a shit.
Man, my boy shit, dog. Come on, man. Look at that interior, dog. How you keep it so clean, my boy? How you keep it so clean? God damn. Y'all make sure y'all follow them, bro. His and hers, man.
Custom-made t-shirt. Custom-made t-shirt on the spot. Trucks popping times in the head with my mind on me. I got $1 million dreams with my mind on credit 19s. Less things in their head, swinging like a swing set. And all the boppers attract, then they watch me. I'm rocked up, fully loaded. I wasn't moving keys, I was barely moving dimes. Recognize my face,
I got the Buick out here, man. Who car is this? With the shoes on it.
hold on, your baby used to run up saying, see what you know. Get money, we gon' get money. Smell like money. Dog man clean like damn. Get money, damn anything nowhere. Get money, get money. We gon' get money. Billboard.
Break on my clothes, I can do that. Don't matter cause I buy me some more.
Your music.
Shit, this whole hard.
Performing, come play me your music. Shout out to all y'all, man. Shout out to Night House. I see you out there, boy. I see you out there looking good. Shout out to my homeboy, Sid Banks, man. I see you, bro. Charlie White, what it do? Hey, House Club is in the building, man. Southside thing, man. This is the Southside thing. Up next, we got my homeboy DJ Harvey Love gonna do something.
Take my shoes off. I can do that. Lord, I see a lot of asthma. I see a whole lot of asthma.
Come check it out.
It's a whole lot of asthma. No, I cannot breathe.
Oh, come on, let me come to this game. Let me come
like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Look at the motherfucking wheels. Y'all know what that's from, man. Stop playing. Oh, hey. Yeah, that's so hard on my mama. This bitch hard, man. God damn. Y'all, hey, y'all, come on, man. Let me fix my settings for y'all, man. Come on, y'all. Talk to me, bro. This bitch hard. I love this hoe. Hey, if you a real one, y'all already know what movie this from, but if you don't know, comment, put somebody on game, what movie this from. This red interior is crazy, bro. Bro, that red interior is crazy. Who car is this? I ain't gonna lie to you, I ain't never seen this one. Damn, this so hard, I want this bitch. He got the shoes on it. Let me bring y'all up, man. We gotta see what's going on and God damn. Street dreams. Street dreams, all I wanted to be on the big screen. I ain't gonna lie, gang. I'm gonna be here for a little bit. Oh, Lord. I just want to be the ice cream cone. I just want to be the ice cream cone. It's a whole lot of asthma. I can't breathe. Come on, man. Lord, have mercy.
We got street flavor out here. We got these solo out here in the building, man. We gonna have BA Trench out there. Everybody know we're gonna be out here until about 9 o'clock, y'all. So, hey. Man, they keep on bullshitting. Ready? When are you?
Hey, y'all don't know, that's my uncle right there. That's my Uncle Willie right there.
Hey, you get the bag and formula, I get the bag.
Hey, he got a break though. I ain't scared of him. I ain't scared of him. Keep a hold on.
Let me get in there, Willie.
No, I know.
Mine.
I ain't scared of him. Oh, I took the casting off.
They know they talk that stick talk, They know we talk that lick talk, $10 million cash, fuck a friend. Started sipping syrup, probably deep ever since. Gotta keep that heat on the seed ever since. You know we talk that stick talk, I'm fighting for this cash up on a new tour. Fighting for this cash up on a new tour. You can't understand us cause you're too soft. Tell them bad,
Y'all stop playing with this nigga, man.
Y'all right here, can y'all back up? Please, can y'all back up?
Hey man, I ain't never seen that shit like ever, know what I'm saying? That shit's crazy. That shit's crazy.
Man, y'all Y'all see what he got in this month? I've been telling you I want to hit this one all day. Stop playing with him, huh? If you in it, it's free to go fuck cars at home. Stop playing with him, huh? So now we ain't the same. Now on MTV with me. We number one with a just like us. When we talk about hoes. Fight back now. Come on, Will. Still all you said to speak. So now we ain't the same. They keep it this cheap. They keep it H. Talk to him, man.
I ain't with it. We gonna see. The people gotta vote. Yeah, you call me out, baby. I ain't gonna let nobody just call me out. Don't fuck it up,
God. I ain't gonna lie, it sound louder in person, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're the way to 100K, man.
This red Monte Carlo. Bag it up, turn it to Trump.
My nigga got some beat in this hoe? I ain't know he had beat in that though. Look at that boy shining, man. God damn, hey man. School shining, that belt busting. That belt busting, man. Y'all stop playing with him. And he got the Gucci's on his feet, understand me? Red bottoms. I ain't know bro had beat in this hoe, man. I ain't gonna cap. I just seen him a lot. That motherfucker running though, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't know bro had none in there. Man. Oh man, that's my boy. That's my boy. Man, y'all make sure y'all like the video, man. Y'all see, I'm giving y'all exclusiveness, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all like the video, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We had our sound lit contest, you understand me? Who going first, man? Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm giving y'all the hardest content. Well, my boy got a whole house around his neck. My nigga, man. I can't doing this shit with the baby. Stop playing, hey man. Don't do what I say, do what the church say, man. Make sure you subscribe, you understand me? Yeah, man. Put some respect on my dog, man. Man, Mississippi in the H, man. Oh God.
I ain't H-Town.
Yes, sir, man. Come on, man. With his son. Good shit, man. I ain't gonna lie, they been talking about this Jeep respectfully, man. They been saying this Jeep gonna shut the whole thing down, man. Like, they say he gon'. They say he supposed to shut it down, man. What he gonna do?
Pull all the way out. You're gonna get the Tahoe. You're gonna get the Ranger.
Kill the camera.
I think he wanted to go get
I don't see the Jeep lined up. Money on the Jeep.
Bring the Jeep over here, dog.
I got a Band-Aid on the Jeep.
That's what was asking.
I got $1,000 on the Jeep, man. Tell it. Good.
Hey, they talking real crazy about this Jeep now. They talking real crazy about the Jeep.
Hey, he trying to flip for it real quick.
Okay, who gonna go first?
Who gonna go first?
Yeah, for real.
Let me see over you.
Go first. Go ahead.
Oh, he say he going first. He say he going first.
Shit, we can line this shit up all day. We can line this shit up all day. I'm talking about real shit.
And let all the fly skimmers feel the beat.
Bro working with it, man. Oh, shit.
I see you jocking JC because they got a Mercedes and you know.
We're gonna start the show.
It's on you, man. You ready? It's on you.
That was it.
That's it. He hit it like I got that one there.
He didn't play the song.
Oh, man. I thought he would have some shit that was going to shake the ground. Last dude hit 81. That nigga hitting, too. He hitting, too. Bro hit a 90 on his ass, man. Stop playing. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Fuck. I see you. SS, man, we the best, man. Y'all understand? Sheesh. That bitch hard. Oh, man, that's lovely, bro. Sheesh. Chill out, Fresh.
It's on you, Fresh. 15 seconds. Let's do it. I'm with the lumber, but I wouldn't serve no scammer because I tried to focus on rounds. Swapping the numbers on call because somebody put on the stick. I had the most, so they had to go buy a new car. I had to flip it.
Come on, Fresh.
Let me go put my X6 behind you. Don't put it back up, Migo.
Come on, Fresh.
Only 2 8s.
You said what? Man.
You can make 2 10s, bang like that.
Hold on, Fresh. Hold on, Fresh. And this one? 56.
Man, stop playing with him, dog.
I got you, man. Look for the blessed stage. You know what it is?
Yeah.
Epic performance here. They will break it back up. Turn it off. He's trying to kill it. Kill it.
All right, man. Make sure y'all like the video, man. We're on the way to 100K Dre, man. I can't do this without y'all, man. Until the next video, let's get it.